Today we'll be looking at the MS1U from Sans Digital for ASE Labs. If you haven't seen ASE Labs recently, please do so by going to www.ASELabs.Old. The MS1U takes a laptop hard drive and transforms it into portable storage for your digital camera cards. With the bottom of the unit off, you basically take this little plastic piece out, line up the drive carefully. Pins are very delicate. Slide the drive in. And this part takes a little finessing. You want to put this plastic piece back in, which basically holds the screws in place. Like that. Sorry for that. And then you take the bottom, slide it over, make sure that the holders are lined up, and push down, and then screw it in. And then that should be good. Now that the drive is in place, we can test the unit with this 2 gig Kingston SD card. So let's turn the unit on and see what happens. As you can see, the hard drive has been detected, and it shows that there's 59 gigs free. It's a 60 gig drive, but remember that hard drive manufacturers like to report a different base for their hard drive space. And also, interestingly enough, the unit itself says it can only handle 32 gig FAT32 partitions, but I'm using a 60 gig FAT32 partition, and it works fine. So I wouldn't worry about the limitation on that end. Now, let's stick this card in and see what happens. Okay, you can see that there's 631 megs used on the card, and we will push the copy button to start the transfer. Now, depending on the size of the card and the transfer speed of the card, it will take anywhere from a couple seconds to 20 minutes or even longer. Even so, the unit actually is very good at what it does. You can actually leave it here, and it will turn itself off thanks to the power management feature. So the MS1U gets my thumbs up. Thank you for reading and listening.